Hello guys, I'm Bertie. I'm the team manager of Talon Esports Pokemon Unite team. So I've been with Talon for almost 1 year now. We started with Talon during the Asia Championship League until right now for the second time sa Asia Championship League. But we also represented the Philippines and Talon Esports during Pokemon Unite World Championship in Hawaii. Ang saya. Masayang i-represent ang Philippines, specifically sa Pokemon Unite. Kasi sa World Championship ng Pokemon, parang Miss Universe siya. So, iba't ibang bansa makikita mo doon. Hindi lang siya, yes, per region siya, pero yung mga bansa per region, magugulat ka na lang na may ganito palang bansa nakasali sa Pokemon Unite. And sobrang galing nung mga boys ko when it comes to, playing with these other countries. Landing 5th place out of 32 teams is a no joke when it comes to the World Championships. Tapos dominating pa yung Asia region sa Pokemon Unite World Championship this year. So, sobrang nakaka-proud. We qualified when we became champion or first place sa Philippine Open Tournament. And then, the preparation going to Hawaii for the Pokemon Unite World Championship is sobrang hirap kasi Hawaii is, of course, US territory and we have to apply for US visa. At our first attempt, um, hindi kami natanggap. Like, na-deny kami for the visa. So, after namin ma-deny sa visa, we weren't able to do practice or, learn about the new metas kasi during that time kasi nagkaroon ng patch. And then, sobrang bumaba yung moral namin and we lost hope talaga nung time na parang feeling namin hindi na kami participate for the World Championship of Pokemon Unite. And nung second attempt namin when we applied US visa, doon na kami na-approve and sobrang tuwang-tuwa kami. But the downside of that, we only have 1 week to practice for the tournament. So, ganun lang kaikli yung practice namin and crash course talaga yung ginawa ng team ko, especially the captains and the other members para lang makakope up sa current meta of the Pokemon Unite. And yun, di ba, a 1 week preparation, grabe yung plot twist, we landed 5th place and I'm so happy talaga. So, kudos to my team, so kudos to the boys. Sobrang happy ko. Okay, the difference we managing a team and being a player, actually managing a team really requires a lot of patience talaga. And you have to understand each player kasi iba-iba naman sila and hindi mo pwedeng pairalin lagi yung galit mo sa parang sa paglalaro din, hindi pwedeng lagi mauuna yung galit mo. You have to be understanding, you have to be compassionate to your team and you have to speak their language para lang alam mo yun masaya kayo. Yes, may mga ups and downs kayo when it comes to practice. Minsan may napapagalitan ka. Pero at by the end of the day, professional kayo and alam nila na iintindihin mo sila. And from there, mag-a-adjust naman sila sa'yo. But when it comes to being a player, I think there will be double pressure sa kanila. Kasi nga, aside from you need to practice every day, you need to learn all of the things that is happening in the game. You need to, mentally and physically prepared para lumaban or umupo dun sa table for the tournament. So, mas kalaban mo yung sarili mo when it comes to being a player, but when it comes to being a manager, kalaban mo dito yung emotions mo. I think Pokemon Unite will still really grow, especially in global market talaga siya yung pag-grow niya, hindi lang siya specifically sa isang region. So I think the support lang siguro is for people to understand and to accept that there are MOBA games na very different sa kung ano yung nilalaro nating MOBA games right now, 'di ba? We have to be open to different setup of the game pero same goal, just to win with 5 players, to destroy towers, but Pokemon Unite, diba, just to shoot and destroy those goal zone. It's basically the same lang naman yung gameplay niya. Alam mo yun, parang lang tayo nag-a-adjust sa meta. We have to accept lang talaga that there are different. And, if you want to be, very best like no one ever was, maglaro ka ng Pokemon Unite. Pero yes, I think yun lang naman yung support na kailangan ng Pokemon Unite is to accept the difference of Pokemon Unite to other MOBA games. And of course, if you really love the Pokemon, di ba? Laruin mo si Pokemon Unite. And Pokemon kasi will always be there. Biggest franchise yan. So I really believe na Pokemon, makikipagsabayan yan sa mga giants MOBA talaga. My dream for the esports industry is of course to be open to other games talaga. Like, I know, I don't want to invalidate the mainstream games right now kasi kahit ako nilalaro ko rin naman yun eh, 'di ba? Pero there are a lot of talented players na naglalaro din talaga ng ibang game. Ako, I believe yung boys ko talaga, sobrang talented nila. May mga laruan sila na ginagawa nila sa Pokemon Unite and then na-adapt nila sa iba pang MOBA game if we're just, doing a cooldown game using other MOBA games. And ang galing, parang okay, magaling sila sa Pokemon Unite pero nakikita ko na parang may galaw din sila sa ibang MOBA games. So that's where I conclude na, magkaparehas lang naman eh. So ang dream ko lang is for everyone to be open, 'di ba? Na parang meron ding magagaling dito. Meron ding nagre-represent ng Philippines dito. Meron ding nagpapakamalay para lang manalo ang Pilipinas dito. Na parang, 'di ba? Parang just be open and um accept those other players or mga nasa grassroots lang talaga. Kasi minsan, nakikita ko kasi na parang umiikot na lang yung players, umiikot na lang yung mga characters sa iba't ibang posisyon when it comes to esports. So, I wish that there will be more opportunities for everyone, lalo na nasa grassroots. Kasi ako ngayon, as a manager, if there will be I need a new player. I'm not looking at the current people who are in the pro right now. I'm opening doors to those who are natatakpan or nasa dark clouds na magaling din pala. So ganun ako humanap ng players talaga. And it proves talaga na it works kasi some of my players talaga hindi naman yan pro sa ibang game eh. Hindi naman yan sumasali ng tournament na mabibigat eh. Pero kaya niya palang sumabay sa mga pro players with the right guidance and with the right training lang. So, yun po, open lang po tayo.
Any message to aspiring players or anyone?
Coach, may drinks ba dyan? Parang nahuwa ko eh. Ooh, a wild Charmander appeared. Yes, thank you so much, Yobik, for this Fuji Apple na probiotic drink. Yes, Yobik and Pokemon, nagkaroon sila ng collaboration. So, ngayon, kung gusto kong bumuga ng apoy katulad ni Charmander, diba, we will be drinking it. To those who want to be part of the esports industry, especially if you want to be a pro player or shoutcaster, just continue your passion. Huwag kayong susuko, guys. Kasi may mga tao dyan na talagang tumitingin sa mga grassroots level. Okay? Meron at meron dyan. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa na forget franchising na to, doon na lang sila iikot yung players doon. Or when it comes to shoutcaster, kailangan may pangalan ka muna bago ka dalhin doon. No, hindi. May mga tao dyan na mag-aangat sa'yo at maniniwala sa'yo at bibigyan ka ng opportunity. So, tuloy mo lang yan. Huwag kang give up. Okay? Kasi pag give up ka, wala. Sinayang mo lang din yung, pinaghirapan mo when it comes to the esports industry. Believe me, I learned the hard way. I was about to give up and then suddenly, boom, di ba? Nasa talon na ako ngayon. So, don't you ever give up. Laban lang ng laban. Hindi tayo pinalaki ng sex bomb para bumawi. Yun lang. Hey guys, again, this is Bertie. Don't forget to support Talon Esports, sa Pokemon Unite, or even sa Dota team, okay? And I would like to see you on the comment section kapag lumalaban na kami. And don't forget, it's time for nerds to get heard.